Wolves are highly social animals, known for forming tight-knit family units called packs. These packs serve as crucial support systems, enabling wolves to hunt, raise their young, and defend their territory together. Wolves' haunting and melodious howls are more than just eerie night serenades. Howling is a form of communication that helps wolves coordinate activities within the pack, establish territory boundaries, and even call out to distant members. Wolves are adept at cooperative hunting, utilizing their teamwork to pursue and bring down large prey animals. Their synchronized efforts increase the chances of a successful hunt, nourishing the entire pack. Within their ecosystems, wolves often occupy the role of apex predators, crucial in maintaining a balanced food chain. By preying on herbivores, they help control populations and prevent overgrazing. Wolves are vigilant protectors of their territories. They mark their boundaries with scent markings and vigorously defend their domain against intruders, ensuring the safety and resources of their pack. Wolves exhibit elaborate mating rituals and form strong bonds between mates. Wolves are adaptable creatures, thriving in various habitats ranging from forests to tundras. Wolves are renowned for their intelligence and problem-solving abilities. Wolves have far-reaching impacts on their ecosystems. Despite their remarkable behaviors, wolves face conservation challenges due to habitat loss and human-wildlife conflicts. Efforts are underway to protect and restore wolf populations, recognizing their vital role in maintaining ecological balance. Wolves hold a special place in the cultural narratives of various societies. Wolves are considered keystone species, meaning their presence disproportionately impacts their environment compared to their abundance. Their activities can shape entire ecosystems, underscoring their ecological significance. Studying wolves provides insights into the process of evolution and natural selection. Wolves have become subjects of ecotourism and educational initiatives, allowing people to observe these magnificent animals in their natural habitats. Such experiences foster a deeper appreciation for wildlife conservation. In the grand tapestry of the animal world, wolves are intricate threads, weaving together behaviors that reflect their individuality and collective strength as a pack. From their harmonious howls to their strategic hunting techniques, wolves continue to captivate our imagination and inspire awe in the ever-evolving story of life on Earth. Thank you for tuning in to the Animal World channel. We genuinely appreciate your viewership. If you've subscribed to our channel, we extend our heartfelt gratitude. Have a wonderful day.